Hey, you there. Have you ever dreamed about becoming an influencer? Have you ever wanted to become a product reviewer? If you answered yes, then this is the right video for you. Alright, y'all. Let's see what we got, man. We got a brand new box, brand new something. I don't know what it is. Just going to open it up right quick. Oh, man. What could it be? What could it be? Looks like a camera. Is that me? Whoa. What's up, y'all? It's me. What? You came to the right video. Listen, if you want products, man, look, iPhones, gifts, stuff, not even gifts, but just products, man. If you want to be social media famous, if you want to get free trips, free brand deals, all that type of stuff, right? You are in the right place right here, right now. Now listen, okay? As of today, me personally, I only have 401 subscribers on my account, right? Look, on my Instagram, I only have 405 followers. I am what you call a micro influencer. However, don't let that fool you. That leads us into our point. 10 different things that you can implement or you should do if you're thinking about starting a channel or your personal brand. All right, so with number one, man, number one. So this is, you probably heard this before, but you didn't hear it from me, okay? You gotta do some research. Now, what type of research are you talking about? Listen, I went to 10 different YouTube videos and I seen the same thing, research. Well, and you heard this before, it's your niche. Now listen, if you starting a YouTube channel, right, or you starting Instagram, or you making a page or whatever, right, I know you probably looked at hundreds of videos, right? They all say the same thing. Pick a niche. Listen, man, no, you don't want to pick a niche. Pick a couple of different things, okay? I'm gonna tell you why. For example, me personally, you come to this channel, I review tech, okay? You know what I mean? Like I said, I got Ray-Bans, iPhones, a whole bunch of stuff. However, you can blend your niche. So this is what I mean by picking more than just one. So for example, I might make a video about a cooking product, right? Now, whoa, the chefman video I made, right? Perfect example. Now, I'm not a cooking channel. You know what I mean? You don't see me chefing up stuff. However, right? That's why I say you can blend different stuff into your content to make vast amount of content. There's a whole bunch of ideas, right? Another perfect example, right? With the Ray-Ban Meta Shades. So, like I say, I'm a tech reviewer, I do product reviews, I do stuff like that, right? However, I'm not just limited to that. So, another recent video I did a vlog. Now, what is somebody that's doing product reviews doing a vlog? You know what I mean? Nah, this was a day in the life of the Ray-Ban Meta Shades. And you can just do as you can see, you can just blend different stuff together to create a whole bunch of different content to give up to your followers and to your peoples, man. But if you pick like different niches that blend together, it can work out. Like I said, if you're doing vlogs, right, or lifestyle content and tech content, those blend perfectly together because why? You can make lifestyle vlogs surrounded around tech. Now, the biggest thing, okay, and all of this. Now, listen, you can stop right here at this point because if you don't do this, is probably the most important point of them all, okay? This is past your niche, past doing research. Listen, create you a brand. Now, you yourself can be the brand. Like for me, I'm Ronz, okay? I am my own personal brand. Cool and dandy. However, you got to create your brand, okay? Now, is the brand going to be you? Is the brand going to revolve around a whole bunch of different things? You know what I mean? You have to create your brand, okay? And that's probably the biggest part of it all because without a brand, I don't want to say you're nothing, but you're literally nothing. Like you have nothing to go against. Like nobody can look you up and say, hey, you got to create a brand, make a logo. Just something. You gotta have something to represent yourself, okay? Now, after creating your brand, now it's time for your content strategy. Now, this can get a little bit tricky. How it all, do what works for you. That's the best piece of advice I can give you. Do what works for you. Now, whether that's posting once a week, twice a month, 3 times a day, you know, you gotta do what's right for you because everybody's content strategy is a little bit different. You just can't post 1 month and be like, oh wow, well I'm just gonna take the next 3 years off and then post again and think you're gonna grow. Yeah, buddy, not gonna lie, that's not gonna work and you're not gonna make it in this industry. No cap. Anyways, like I said, you wanna make content kind of consistently, okay? Think of it as a TV show, okay? So you're watching your favorite TV show and you know, dang, okay, well this is gonna come on at this time, on this day, and I know I can always come back to go and see it. Let's just say on Wednesdays and Sundays, okay? Cool, you post Wednesdays and Sundays. Now, the best time to post depends on your audience and everything like that, and all that factors into your little content strategy, okay? It gives people something that they can always remember, you know what I mean? Like, it don't keeps people guessing. When people start guessing, they'll probably start to forget about you. And we don't want that. We're becoming influencers. We don't want them to forget about us, right? We're supposed to be them, him and hers. Come on, you know what I mean? What equipment do I need to start? Well, simply put, just have an iPhone. You know what I mean? All you really need is your iPhone. Really, you can probably just use these shades now. Ray-Ban Metas, I mean, these things go crazy. Listen, you do not need a camera that I'm recording right now. You don't need one of these. And this is pretty good too. Canon G7X Mark III. Yeah, nah, this is actually pretty tough. But you don't need all of these. You don't need all of this type of stuff. You just need to pick one. iPhone, I want a tripod. I might give me some lighting. You know what I mean? That's all you need. If you are going to buy your camera, if you want to upgrade your content, then sure, go ahead. But what I would recommend first, before buying a new camera, like, you want to have lighting and you want to have audio. Now, you see, I'm not wearing no mics or anything right now, so that'll probably be the next piece of tech I pick up is a mic, because I mean, audio quality. Somebody can sit through a bad video visually, but nobody will sit through nothing they can't hear. You want to have a good background. You know what I mean? Like this wall is blank. Okay, I have nothing back there. Visually, it looks boring. Not gonna lie. Do I have anything to put right there? No, I don't. But in the meantime, it's gonna stay blank. Okay. On the side, you got my visual. I got my computers, 2 monitors. You can't see that one right there. But yeah, boxes, stuff like that. Look, the visuals in your background need to be clean. Okay, you don't want too much junk going on, too much trash or anything like that in your background, because for one, it looks cluttered. For two, it's very distracting. Okay. Now look, this stuff right here, it complements my video. Okay. So that's why that stuff back there is in my background. Besides that, on a normal video, you probably wouldn't see that. In a studio setting, or just keep your background nice and clean. Just keep your peripherals just nice and clean, because if you're looking at your camera, you might look to the side to see yourself, like I'm doing right now. It's like, oh, what's that back there? Or, oh, what's going on in this, you know what I mean? No, keep it nice and clean, okay? Aesthetically pleasing to the eye will keep somebody there a lot longer. Okay, this is nice. I can stay behind it. Engagement is key, okay? And what I mean by that, you gotta turn the swag up, okay? That's what we call it, man. New segment, whatever. Turn the swag up. You got to, okay? You gotta bring energy. You gotta bring some, you know? Now, wait. Hold up, wait a minute, we'll get a little closer. That might not be for everybody, okay? You might not have a turn the swag up type of moment. You might be a more monotone, a more quiet person, and that's okay. However, you gotta keep your viewers engaged, because if not, if you see the eye contact, if you're not engaged, if you're not looking, if you're not being entertaining, and I'm not gonna say you have to be entertaining, nobody said all of that, but you just wanna keep the viewer there, because what's gonna stop them from clicking off this video just like that? Keep them engaged, man. Whatever you have to do, if you have to jump off a building with no parachute, okay, and break all your legs and everything like that, then don't do that, okay? Hey, Ronz, how did you get that product over there? What, this one right here? Man, this is off of a collab, okay? Now, collaborations, okay? Not just with, per se, specific brands, but also with other content creators. So if you're in a niche or something like that, and you see somebody else that's doing content sort of like yours, reach out to them. Find an Instagram, pull up the email, reach out to them. Hey, I really like your content. Would you mind collaborating on a video with one another? Once you start growing, right? Once you start making a name for yourself and your brand starts growing, they're gonna start reaching out to you. Okay? They'll be like, hey, can you try this on for me for clothes? Hey, can you review this product for me? Hey, can you do this? Hey, can you do that? Right? That's what creating a brand does for you. They come to you, okay? You make an image for yourself, you're there. You put your stamp on the world, okay? Our next point is monetization. Man, making money from this, man, listen, man, I don't know what to say. You can make so much money from one YouTube video, and it could probably cover your child's tuition for forever off of one YouTube video. Just think about that, right? You're probably, I don't know how old you are right now, but my demographics from 17-year-olds to 40-year-olds, okay? Cool. Look, you can do this with one video, with one brand deal. All it takes is one. It takes one video to go viral. It takes one brand deal. It takes one thing to get generational wealth, okay? And I'm not seeking it in the fact that it's okay, this one video might generate me $100,000, which it could off of a brand deal. Yeah, sure, 100%. However, it takes one video to blow up, for more people to recognize you, and for that one video to just generate a whole bunch more traffic to you, which it makes it easier for the second one. Boom. Third one. Boom. 4, 5, 6. You see what I'm saying now? Like brand deals, monetization, there's so much money to be made. Listen, they're gonna send you cameras, they're gonna send you gear, they're gonna send you stuff like that. Like they're gonna send you a whole bunch of stuff. Wherever your niche is, they're gonna send stuff to you. They want you to review it. You know why? Because you're gonna bring them money, and by you bringing them a lot more money, they're gonna make you some money too. Okay? I seen this one TikTok, right? Cadillac, they sent her out a whole Escalade. By the way, Cadillac, watching this video, I would like an Escalade V, by the way. You know, I'm just saying. They sent out a whole Escalade as PR content, right? For it to keep. Ronz, how do I know what content to post, right? Where do I start looking? Like, what do I do? Okay, let's go back to my tip number 1. Start your research, man. It always comes back to research. What do I post? Well, hey, if you don't know what to do, start with the trends. Like, what are the trends in my subject that I'm looking at, okay? Like right now, as a tech reviewer, they have M4 iPad Pros. Yeah, start with the trends, okay? So yeah, look into your genre. What are people creating content about, right? If you're doing lifestyle vlogs, oh, well, how can I implement this into my video? Or if I'm doing fashion, oh look, I see people doing trial hauls, and the trend right now is doing a double 360 backflip into the air and then with a big explosion. You know what I mean? Look, start with the trends. It makes it super simple. If you don't know what to make, look at what other people are making. Look what's actually getting views, right? That's how you blow up your channel. Because, hey, look, if this worked for somebody, it could work for you too. You know, it's obviously working, so why not give it a try? So yeah, start with the trends. That's my number 1 thing. Start with the trends, right, for creating content. Because people like say, well, man, look, I gotta be original. I gotta be original. Nobody said copy it word for word. You're still your own person. You're still your own brand, right? Like that's like the first person that ever made a car. You know what I mean? Somebody else made a different type of car. Well, didn't they make a car? That's not original, no. But it's their own spin to it. You see what I'm saying? Like I say, Mercedes or BMW. They're 2 different car brands. They're still a car at the end of the day. You see what I'm saying? But it's 2 different spins to it. So you can be original in your own way by not copying somebody else's content per se, but copying their idea. You can copy somebody's idea, but make your own spin to it. Hey y'all, listen, man, this has been a super long video. If you stayed here this long, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I wouldn't have to ask you, because you probably did it probably like this, the title and the thumbnail, because I mean, look y'all, this is some valuable content. But yeah, if you made this far, like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, comment down below what you think, and help other influencers down in the video too. Like, comment your journey. Like how many subscribers do you have right now? Like how many followers do you have on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat? You know what I mean? Like comment all that type of stuff down below. I'm curious to see, because like I said, me personally, I'm a micro influencer. I have a long way to go. Honestly, I have a long way to go. But I'm in this for the long run, not the short run. You know what I mean? Like if I'm gonna blow up, well, I might not blow up overnight, but I'm gonna just keep going. But yeah, y'all. That's me, that's Ronz. I'm out, man. I'm tired of talking. My mouth hurts. Pause. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.